Hi, this is Adam and Dana Sue Hinkle from Creative QT, and this Valentine's Day we just want to share with you our favorite recipe for a successful marriage.
You're going to want to add a healthy dose of vulnerability.
Feel free to tell each other exactly what's on your mind.
And women, when you ask your man what's on his mind and he says nothing, odds are there's nothing on his mind.
Nothing. And be sure to use plenty of honesty.
But use it sparingly when she asks if she looks good in that big old fluffy sweater she thinks is so warm.
Or when he asks if he still looks good in that muscle tee.
I still got it. And one thing every marriage needs is a little bit of sugar. Some people like a little bit of sugar, but I like a lot.
And add just a splash of empathy. Learn to relate to what your man's thinking about. Really, this is just cars, sports, and technology. That's it.
And every relationship can use a whole lot more listening. Remember, gentlemen, listening means a whole lot more than the words that are just coming out of her mouth. For example, she might say, yeah, you can buy a four-wheeler, which means you get to buy a four-wheeler. Or she could say, yeah, you can buy a four-wheeler, which means I can't believe you asked, can I buy a four-wheeler? Or she could say, yeah, you can buy a four-wheeler, which means you get to buy the four-wheeler, however, you're in a whole lot of trouble if you do. So remember, listening. And let's not forget a little bit of passion.
No, family show. And some days you're going to need a lot of patience, specifically when your spouse does something really stupid. Awesome.
In times like these, you might want to add a little bit of forgiveness, right?
A little?
You need a whole lot.
A whole lot.
A little bit more?
Keep going.
And every marriage needs plenty of laughter. You're gonna do those stupid things and we're all gonna laugh about it eventually. So we may as well start laughing about it now, right? Yeah? Not too soon.
And gratitude, whether it was a good day or a bad day, realizing at the end of the day, you have somebody that promised to share their life with you.
And of course, the centerpiece of a marriage is love. Love is about making less of yourself and more of the other person. So if you're both putting the other person's need in front of your own, then neither of you have less than you need. There's a lot of need
There's
over there.
a lot of need.
Okay. So from the Hinkles and the Creative QT team, we wanted to wish you and the one you love a very happy Valentine's Day. And things should last a long, long, happy, long time.